Hi, I'm George from OPUS at Gary. I'm workshop manager here, and if you've got any service issues or warranty repairs, come and see us at 40 Access Court, Gary. Warranties, no hassle, just fixes. Got a warranty issue? No worries. We'll handle it fast and make sure your camper or caravan gets the right repairs. No stress, no runaround. Repairs, big or small, we fix it all. Electrical dramas, plumbing gone rogue, chassis damage, whatever's busted, we'll get it sorted so you can get back to doing what you love, hitting the road. Maintenance, stay ready, avoid the drama. Don't wait until something goes wrong. Regular servicing keeps your setup running smooth. We check brakes, bearings, suspension, seals, wiring and more so you don't get stuck halfway through your trip. Customization, upgrade your setup. More power, better suspension, extra storage, whatever you need. We can fit solar panels, off-road mods, storage solutions, interior upgrades, and heaps more to match your adventures. It doesn't matter what rig you roll in, we service them all.